right. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Hello, and welcome to another Bullish Bears live stream. I'm Bullish Bears Kevin. I'll be your host today. Jeremy is in here at the moment as well. What is up, Jeremy? We
What
are
up?
in for a good trading today. Let's end this week with a bang. A great trade. Remember, guys, all we need is that one good trade, and that's all it should take.
Absolutely.
All it should take. And if you're a scalper, take take all the scalps you can. Take your setups. If you're not a scalper, that one good trade, two good trades a day is all you need. Even just one great trade, one great setup. That's why in the community I always like to try to create 1 to 4 plans. We'll go over those right now on NASDAQ and ES. So I have my 4 trades set up, so I know if it gets here, I have a plan. If it gets here, I have a plan. If it gets here, I have a plan. That way I could stay patient until something happens. I could stay patient until one of those plans starts to work out. And when one of those plans starts to work out, I could take a more probable and confident trade. And that trade is more likely to play off than me just taking a random trade because it looks like I should buy or looks like I should sell. We want probability.
Plan your trade, bid your plan.
That's right. That is right. We'll hit down to the 5 minute real quick for y'all.
Jeremy, real quick, when you base your fan lines, do you do it from the wick or the body?
Body.
Thank you.
No problem.
We have a gap. Are we gonna have a gap when we open? What are we at on ES right now?
You see exactly the fan lines I'm about to draw.
Yeah, we're up here, so we'll have a gap when we open. And remember, guys, every strategy works in its own. Like, there's people that trade just gap fills. There's people that trade the 8 and the 20 moving average. People that trade the 9 and the 21. Like, each strategy just needs the same thing. It just needs experience. It needs discipline. It needs you to journal it so you know how to be effectively using the strategy, and so on.
Dude, I got out exactly on time with that one.
Nice. What were you in a long?
Yeah. Here, check this out.
I like that
The
drop
exit of the
base
last
drop
trade was
candle.
crappy, but the execution of this one on the retrace was perfect.
Yo, it looks like we're gonna get a drop when market opens. Part of me wants to take this lightly. Another part of me is like, you're crazy. But this is a drop base drop candle. Unless the candle opens and we pop right up to this 30 minute, I'm gonna take that. But I still wanted this trend line to be retested. 2 seconds. Lift off.
Love that bounce, dude.
Keep it going, man. Keep it going. I want that trend line.
That was right off the top of my liquidity zone there, too. I mean, it methodically ticked right down to it in the pre-market just before the bell, and bam, slammed right up off of it. Very cool.
Strong move. I like that.
Let's see here. We're gonna tap 4176 again.
We're gonna keep popping. I don't know. I think Bulls want to hold it for a second. I want to see if we could have some divergence in this though. If Bears want to stick in on ES, Bulls want to pop in on NASDAQ.
Back to the liquidity zone. Let's see if we bounce. Moment of truth. They can't hang. We don't trade. Damn, they're tapping that liquidity, but they keep buying it. Let's see if they let it go. Not a whole lot of volume sitting on the limit order on the DOM just yet.
Come on, NASDAQ. Give us that. Give us that. If you know what's up, if NASDAQ could give us this trend line up here in this supply zone, and ES wants to give us this key level right here, that's gonna be huge. I would go heavy in shorts on NASDAQ at that point. Tight stop loss.
All right.
Come on, Bulls, take it.
4174 tap.
Take it, Bulls, go.
4176. Come on,
Dude,
let's go.
this is looking good.
That's where my limit order's sitting.
This is looking good, man. I'm not gonna just jump right in as soon as we get there, though. I might with a few contracts, but not my full size. I will want some confirmation. Tesla in an area of interest. Bears keep stepping in, swatting us down. Let's check out the wick on this candle. Huge so far. Still got 220 left in this 5 minute. No reason to jump into a trade the first 5 minutes of the day. Just stay patient. Would maybe scalp this long, seeing that we have that target up there. But in case we don't get up here, right? We don't want to be going long at the top. You don't want to buy the highs, sell the lows.
Don't pull a Kramer and top ticket. Sorry.
Like Kramer with Meta.
Oh God.
Dude. He's like, this is a buy. This is a buy right here while it's like dropping from 380 to 280. He's like, this is definitely a buy. Then 240. This is still a buy.
Yeah.
150.
know, man.
Keep going, man.
Yep.
Then he
Keep
was like,
bringing us
time to
liquidity.
sell. It bottomed out around $86, and he was like, all right, now I wouldn't hold it anymore.
Yeah, and then he bottom ticks the exit. Like, come on.
Yeah. All right, we're coming up over here on NASDAQ right now. If it pushes a little more, I'm definitely going to be adding some. I'm going to be getting some short contracts on NASDAQ here. Where are we at on that trend line?
And Matthew and I caught a couple of bungles, and we went easy on old Jimbo yesterday. We didn't slam him too hard. But we caught I think we caught 4 of his call outs in the wrong side, and we're like, no.
Nice.
So,
Apple with some strength. Meta's making new high a day. Remember, guys, Meta did have earnings yesterday, so that might be a gap and go type sitch. Amazon rejecting an area of interest right now. I'm gonna get rid of this this thing right here.
we might be lumping through this liquidity zone if we get above or below the angular on that diamond from yesterday.
Come on, bulls, pop it. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Really?
Oh, there's the orders. 4167's a carrot. Now we're seeing some volume pile in. There are 171 contracts sitting at 4167.
Now we got 5 seconds left. We might get this liquidity grab candle right here.
Some
No,
nice
not really.
divergence happening now too, right?
I see that. I
Well,
see
then-
that. I'm still being patient on this. I'm still being patient, and I knew where I wanted to enter. If we don't get that entry, then I'll find another trade set up. But that's what I wanted.
I just want to close the RTH gap on the ASA 40.
I think we got a 1 second or 5 second 1-for-1 just accumulated and broke right here. So we're going to 4167. Just briefly though, I think they're going to grab liquidity there.
Oh, balls.
4167.25 just got taken out. There was 175 contracts in there. They moved it to 4165. They shifted it down.
Yeah, because we're going to close the RTH gap right below the 20.
I agree.
And then probably that liquidity there. And maybe the bulls can step in.
Maybe.
Maybe, baby.
We do have a double bottom on the RTH 5 minutes from yesterday.
Order filled. Got the 1-for-1.
There you go. Gap closed.
Nice. All right, bulls, take it back up. Get over here. I want to enter up here.
I sold 4169.75, bought 4167.
Nice.
And that more than makes up for everything I did yesterday.
Why isn't this flowing? There we go. I'm like, why isn't NASDAQ flowing right now? Yeah,
Your trade
bulls.
complete.
Go Bulls, go. Go Bulls, go.
Stepping on 4170 for retracement finish.
Go Bulls, go. Ooh, look at that right off that 30-minute demand zone, too, on ES.
Oh no, Bears are gonna take this. Watch
oh,
this.
no. Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid Man's gonna crash this one. Watch this support get taken out. We're right at the angular angular support of the upper side of the bear channel on that diamond from yesterday. So if they take this out, they're going. Let me put this in perspective. We're going to 4160.
4162.
There is a pile of orders sitting there too, but there's also 4163. There's like 150 contracts in there. Oh, there it is. 4160 has 324 contracts sitting on the buy side. They just piled in.
Part of me's thinking some ES longs over here, the way we're rejecting this demand zone right now. But I'm looking at the selling pressure. Don't want to really be fighting that. Still waiting on
The dollar's
NASDAQ. I want to be
dropping.
patient.
The dollar's still dropping, so we might see
Quick.
ES going up here. Although we're battling with yesterday's.
Guys, here's some
Open.
time in sales on the left-hand side over here. This is from TOS. TradingView does not offer that much depth of market, so that's how we'll see that. There we go, Bulls. There we go, Bulls.
Hey, did you see those 20-some contracts just going through?
Yeah.
Another 20, another 10.
Yes. I saw
Yeah.
that 10.
Yeah, another 11. Yeah, somebody's
go,
piling up
Bulls.
right there.
There we go, Bulls.
That was a liquidity grab. I think we just consolidated for a 1-for-1. That was liquidity right there.
Right there.
Back to mean. Let's see if they break it.
40 seconds left. Come on, Bulls. Get up there. Get up there. We want the short entry.
I took the short entry.
Hmm.
It sold
Didn't give it to us
41.65.
yet. Where'd you get at? Where'd you short 41.65?
41.69.75.
Oh, okay.
But that was an average because I tried to get the break at 41.67. And then that liquidity grab came in, so I averaged it with the 41.69.75 order.
Gotcha.
So my average is 41.68.50. Yeah, I'm about to close that because that's not
It's
a great.
pretty then.
Bulls want to pop this. Come on, Bulls.
I think that was
Nope,
a
Apple
support
week.
retest. Yeah, that was a support retest.
Staying patient. Not part of the plan.
Previous support retest becomes resistance. And there's a
Nice.
There goes
Wow.
41.62 coming up. Come on.
Nice. Nice. Let's go, Bulls. Bring us back up now. Why we don't chase. Get in where we plan to get in. Get out where we plan to get out.
market order put me in the wrong spot on that one.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It will when volatility kicks in like that.
I'm confident we're going to hit 4160 real quick here.
Gonna hit
I don't
that
think we hit
doji in 1 minute.
4160. If we hit 4160, we will have divergence to the bull side, though. But
Oh, yeah.
yeah, I don't know about that main because Nasdaq's not near its low a day. I mean, obviously ES has more of a chance of hitting a new low a day than Nasdaq at the moment. But
We just ran above 400 contracts sitting at 4160.
nice.
I'm going to put mine
For
right at 41.
ES to make a new low of day, we need to be below 41.46. That's,
Yeah.
you know,
I got 4160.75.
One more grab. There it is. Let's see if we go.
I like bulls, 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 bulls. Bulls I do adore.
I love that 5-second chart.
41.60.75. Come on.
Good.
I
Let's
got my
chop
limits
around
set.
this morning. Let's chop around this morning. It's gonna make this upcoming trade that
Hey,
much
look,
better.
those 400 contracts and 41.60 right there, Jeremy.
Yep. Mine's at 41.60.25 because I think they're gonna flush right down to that tick above it, and then bam, they'll flip sides.
Look at Nasdaq trying its best. Do your thing, Nasdaq. Let's get up there, boy.
All right, there's your pivot test. Let's see if we go short.
Guys, I'm excited for the short, and you know what's up? If this short doesn't play out, then I'm just gonna switch my bias. I'm gonna see if we get a retest of this to go long. See if bulls want to step in. But regardless, my trade plan right now, what I'm waiting for is a short position up here with this trend line.
We're at a split line from the bear channel from yesterday's diamond right now.
I will not jump in anytime it looks like it gets red. That is not the trade plan.
Finish him.
Apple with some strength right here. Amazon with some strength, cooling. Amazon had a nice gap up from 119 to 126 this morning. I believe. Did Amazon have earnings?
Maybe?
It
think it
did
was
have
last night.
earnings.
Yeah, it had earnings.
Yep.
It had earnings last night.
I
Nice.
missed that trade, damn it. I usually try to scalp Amazon in after hours earnings.
You didn't, Jeremy. You failed.
I didn't last night. Back in the day when it was like, over 3,000 a share, I was able to scalp several $100s with just a couple shares in the after hours on the earnings calls. Like clockwork.
Nice. Trying to hold VWAP on ES. Getting close to that 4160, Jeremy, on
Yeah.
ES.
We're almost there. It's slowing down though, so they're starting to
Buying
fight a little.
pressure. Yeah.
And that's right at a split line from that channel too, so
Time to pop.
yep. There it is.
Here's your long.
I'm out. That's okay. I took profit. I'm good. This is a liquidity
Apple
grab
new
on.
high a
Slam it
day.
again.
We need exactly 41.60.75. And now going back down to 41.60. Come on.
I'm
Oh,
still
yeah,
gonna limit
look at
that
that
at
dumping
41.60.25. There we go.
Oh.
Come on, 41.60. Go.
Yo, buyers are not giving it up that easy. They're saying they tried to make me go to rehab, and I said no, no, no. They tried to make me sell off, but I said no, no, no. Yo, yes, let's go, guys. Oh my
Whoa,
pump.
look at that push.
Liquidity grab. Hello.
Yeah. Yo, I'm getting ready to short this. Like, damn. Give us a pop. One more strong pop on Nasdaq. Still didn't hit that trend line, guys. That's what I'm waiting on, is that trend line. But the more we're like chopping before we get there, the more I think we're just gonna blow right through it. Plus, I really like this ES setup, this liquidity grab candle right here. But oh, there's that
41.69.
pop on Nasdaq. I'm gonna throw some sell orders out. I didn't have my limit orders out yet. Let's see if we get one more pop.
That is right off of the angular on that bear channel from yesterday's diamond. I mean, methodically.
Nice.
Let me get a screenshot of that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna put some market sell orders out there. Because look at how quickly we rejected that trend line, this first rejection. Do you want to see if we pop back up?
Boop.
There we go, nice.
They're gonna sell again? All right, let's go.
Wait for it. Wait
Right.
for it. We sniper entry in here. Got
So
340
we
left
got
in the
news-
5 minute.
We got news coming up in 14 minutes, right?
Alright. What kind of news? What news we got? What's cooking?
I think it's the Michigan.
Oh, Michigan PMI or
Inflation, no?
yeah, I think maybe.
Isn't
Let me look at it.
inflation, isn't that CPI data?
Yeah, let me see here.
Alright, guys, throwing
Yeah,
some
inflation.
sell orders out.
Sentiment Sentiment final
over
for
here.
October. Expectations final for October. 1 year inflation final for October and 5 year inflation final for October coming in at 10
Nice.
o'clock.
Coming in hot.
Yeah, it's the
Coming in
Michigan
with-
Consumer Sentiment Index.
Yep. And
Didn't
3
that
other
pop
things.
us last time? I feel like that made us pop last time we had it.
Nice.
Come on, come on, come on, NQ, pop. Pop, give me that pop.
Give
I
me-
want to enter
give
up
me-
here.
That's better.
Oh, didn't give me my entry. Go back. Go back.
All right. That's my 10 points for the day. I
Oh,
can just
man.
totally chill now.
Dude, I should have took this entry up here. It's 30 points already. Alright, that's fine. That's cool with me. It'll come
I
back.
grabbed like a really quick short at 41.65.75, closed it at 41.64,
Nice.
and finished my 10-point round for the day.
Nice. Look at this sell-off, guys. Oh, I missed my entry, but damn, that entry would have been perfect. Let's see if we pull back. We still got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute.
Right here, I'm expecting a possible double bottom, so I'm going to wait. Looking at the 1 minute.
Nice, nice.
And that goes right off of our Globex low too, by the way.
Oh, Bears. Bears, come on. Gonna make me miss my entry. Bears are like, we gave you your entry. You just didn't have your limit order out there.
Yep. There is still a massive pile of orders sitting at 41.60 at 385 contracts, off and on.
Yeah, we're gonna go lower.
I think we'll touch it, but I don't know that we're going to go through it. That's a whole lot of buyers.
Or yeah, maybe
the
we get
volume is
divergence.
low.
Maybe
They don't.
ES goes for a new low a day without Nasdaq. Dude, oh man, very devastated that I
Yeah.
missed this
Nailed it.
entry.
Holy
Oh,
smoke.
knew it.
We went through it.
Knew it.
Wow.
Knew it. That's tough.
That was a fast freaking candle, man. You see how fast they pulled those 41.60 orders off the book? They didn't fill. They jerked them off the book one tick before it hit in that little candle. I mean, just flawless AI trading that one.
Yo, low-key feel like going bullish on this, but that'd be crazy. Because of the divergence we got right now.
We haven't touched the regression line from the channel yet yesterday, so let's see what we get real quick here.
Nah, Bears want this. That's obnoxious, man. I had my entry point way up here. If
And
we
here
get a
comes-
VWAP retest, I'll take it off VWAP, but
Let's see here. See if I can scalp
Apple
the
looking
retracement.
weak. We might continue. Staying patient. Staying patient. It was that pop up to VWAP. Doesn't want to. Apple at a key level. Meta at a key level. Microsoft at a key level. Meta area of interest. Definitely looking for a short. Does look like we want to continue lower. ES dropping.
Yeah, careful.
Yep, definitely be careful here. Got to get in on the pops.
Yeah.
Short the rip.
Short to rip and cover on the dip.
Short the rip or so. Apple holding this key level now, giving us a bit of a pop right now. There's that VWAP.
Yeah. Comes
I'm
a
not going to
grab.
enter short yet. Bulls look like they're trying hard. Plus, we had that divergence just now. I'm going to enter a few short positions.
I'll flip my order in a moment here. Come
For
on.
this divergence, what would be your read on it?
Well, Nasdaq's a bit stronger than ES right now. I'm in a few short Nasdaqs right here, guys, on that pop.
A double bottom. I mean, a Twizzler bottom
But
on
bulls are
5
looking
minutes
strong on
GMQ,
that.
man.
Yeah, bulls are
So
strong
that
on that.
that divergence would be reversal
On
and go
Nasdaq.
long Nasdaq. No.
Yeah.
They bought that control bar from that big drop candle.
Yeah, but I
And they
don't trust
scalped it.
divergences to play out for too long. They usually just give us some type of pullback.
No, I clean. Go, baby, go.
Nice.
Thank you.
Apple
Man.
week again.
This was actually kind of fun because I did a manual reverse order
Yeah. Nice.
because I knew they were going to buy that candle. I wish I would have had left my limit order alone. It would have grabbed the top of it at 41.61, but it still worked out.
Yeah. I want a stronger move higher, to be honest, so I could add to my short position. Doesn't look like we're gonna get that.
We are in the squeeze.
The manual flip.
There we go. There you go. Give me
And
a
then
pop.
I'm going to sit on my hands until this news comes out.
Oh yeah, what time does the news come out?
10 o'clock.
7
7
o'clock.
minutes.
A few minutes already? Alright, yeah, we'll be patient. If that's the case, no reason to jump in like crazy.
Nope. This is going to be choppy right up to the moment.
Yup,
No need to get beat up and chopped.
that's right. I'll let you guys know when I exit this short. Probably gonna be for a loss, because my entry was near VWAP, but let's see. Oh, nice bears. Nice bears. Let's go bears. Bears, 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 bears. Bears.
All right, here is our regression line on that diamond to the number.
Apple week. Oh, if Apple starts dumping right here. Which it will.
It's always so depressing when you're putting your name or your birthday into, account you're
Websites.
signing up for.
Yeah.
Damn, I gotta dig all the way back to the end of the 70s.
Alright guys, I am gonna look to exit my short position probably soon because of the news coming up. But let's see. I do want to see if bears want to take control here again. We do have another 5 minutes after this candle before news even comes out.
I'll be back in just a second.
No, you must stay. Yeah, I'm gonna get out on that candle right there. Give me a drop first though. It's gonna be like, I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to give you a drop first. Damn. It's alright, we're chilling. We're chilling, we're chilling. We're chilling. I'm gonna grab another short position. I want to scalp this. Putting my buy stops really close though. I don't want to lose much on this trade if it keeps popping. Stops are near the high of the previous 5-minute candle. Nice. I want a quick rejection. I want to get out right down here. Oh, coming at my buy orders. Coming at my stop orders. Close. Almost had them. Gotta be quicker than that. Apple with some strength, though. Not a fan of Apple strength. It's close to stopping me out. Alright, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out. Stopped out of those shorts. I do think we come back down here, though. Yeah, just like that. Look at that stop hunt. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna let this news hit, guys. I still want this short up here off this trend line. We missed the first entry, which would have been a fantastic trade.
I'm just chilling like a villain, waiting to take my pillin'.
Come on, yes. 41.65. Let's go.
Yeah, I could see it hitting 41.47, possibly, but depending on what this news does. I was just replying to chat there.
Oh, cool, cool.
It will be a very quick. Boom.
Yep. Funk.
Go Funk.
All right, that's retracement right there. Don't know that I want to short that this close to news, but
Yeah, definitely waiting, man.
Yep.
Wait. A lot of buying pressure stepping in right here.
I'm literally, my mouse is moving, but I'm like pinning my
There you
finger to
go.
the mouse pad so I don't touch the damn button.
There you go. 41.65. Let's go.
Yeah, I could see 41.65, 41.68 even so.
There's
News
only
is in what, 2
120
minutes?
contracts at 41.65, and they're bouncing around, so they're moving it.
Those are all me.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
I'm moving the market.
I'm over here moving the market today.
I was talking to Matthew yesterday about this junior gold miner stock where, like, literally between him and I and maybe 2 other people, we could control the float on the damn thing. Such a small float.
It's really funny. He's kidding, IRS. He's kidding.
Yeah.
What was I gonna do? I thought I saw something. I did not.
Hey, that was a 1-for-1 up. This is retracement. But if it's close to news, I'm still not touching it.
Yeah, 50 seconds. Gotta wait. I feel like we're just gonna pop when news
Watch
hits.
for the news. Watch for the
Steady.
news pop.
Steady. 30 seconds.
Oh man, this long position ES off this 8-hour demand. That's what I said in the pre-market, guys, to watch for how we react to this 8-hour demand to create a higher low. It's exactly what we did. We got a strong bounce. I do think we might see a bit of a push higher.
Here it
10
comes.
seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year.
Bam! Holy smokes.
Come on, pop.
1-for-1 up and right back to 50%. And now we're at the base. Okay. Give it another couple bars on that 5 second before you mess with it.
Yeah, no, definitely want to be patient. Definitely don't get in that first few seconds of a news event, guys.
You get
Oh, ES new
destroyed.
lows. I like that.
That did break the low, but it's not going anywhere yet.
Yup. Some divergence still too. Nasdaq's failing to break the lows.
Wait for it.
Apple pretty
How's
weak,
it
but trying to bounce and stay strong. Definitely
There's
considering a
some
long on Nasdaq here, but I feel like that'd be crazy.
Those are some psychotic fast candles, man. On the
Yeah.
5 second chart, it's just like a blur.
Yeah.
Micro double bottom printed. We might retrace 41.60, 50.
Apple
and
with some strength.
slam down to 41.55.
I like that. I do like bulls on this right now, guys. Equities are trying to hold up strong right here. See if we get another drop.
There's that retrace, 41.60, done.
Just chopping around right now. We had good price action all week. It is Friday.
Here comes the slam. $41.55 starting to pile up contracts. Got 155 on the buy side. Here it
Nice
comes.
selling pressure.
It's
Apple
Slay.
week.
Da,
Nice
da, da,
weakness on
da,
Apple.
da, da.
Yup.
Let the boys be boys. Right to that number, dude.
Apple with the
I had
pop
my
off
limit
that
sitting
key
at
level.
41.55. It's 25.
ES off a key level right there. Definitely still considering a NASDAQ long position right here.
I sold the 41.60.50, bought back at 41.55.50. Bam. Beautiful 5-pointer.
I'm not gonna
Although,
take this long position. I'll let you guys know if I do, but
it's about
I got
all I'm
230
gonna
left in this. Apple strong.
all I'm going to take for the moment, because we're just about at the bottom of that liquidity zone, and we are kind of just under that regression line of that bear channel from
We're gonna
yesterday's
get a
diamond.
drop.
Yeah, we'll probably poke right down to the bottom of it at 41.52, but I don't know about 41.47 yet. We'll wait and see.
I like that bulls are trying.
It is a prior low target, but I'm not sure they're going to let it hit it. Not yet. 41.52 is starting to strengthen.
ES much weaker than NASDAQ this morning. I think NASDAQ might sweep these lows for a second or reject off of this this area of interest.
So far, that 5-minute candle is one
Ooh.
big ass bearish engulfing, but I think it's a trap.
Ooh,
There's your sign. It's a trap.
beautiful. Love to see that.
It's a trap. All right, where's that GIF at?
Give us one more monster drop. I'll grab a couple contracts down here.
Are you going to
Apple
grab
bounce.
ESs here?
No, NASDAQ. NASDAQ's stronger. ES is weaker right now.
I don't think they're even going to retest the mean on this. They're just going to fly right to
Yeah.
that. Targeting 41.65 is where they're at.
You just trapped the bears.
And we should nail 41.65 in a couple bars.
I'm not going to take this long right here. No reason to. I still want this trend line.
I didn't take it either. That's the angular. That's the extension.
Y'all heard me. I wanted those longs down here. Did not get it.
Let's see.
Oh, come on. Yeah, give it to us. Give it to us. Go.
Bulls are trying, but that's got to retest first.
Come on. I'm going to enter, as soon as we get up to this trend line, I'm going to enter some contracts. But then I will enter more if we do break high a day on NASDAQ.
I think we're about to retest 41.60.
Looks like we want to go higher, though. Really don't want to fight that trend. Apple's super strong right now. I'll let you guys know when I enter, where I enter, what I enter, and what I enter.
Who?
Alright, I'm going to start my short position right there, guys. Few contracts, very light size. I do expect us to break new high a day. When we break that new high a day on NASDAQ, I'm going to add to this short position. And if we don't, that's fine with me too.
What are you using as a stop on that?
Just like a mental stop, probably be around like 14,370. Probably 14,360, 14,365.
300 contracts on the sell side at 41.70.
This is a good entry so far, guys.
This is starting to look like a little triple top on the 5-second, though. I think we'll get that retrace to 41.60 and then a bounce back up to 41.70.
Really good entry on that short. So I want these bears to start stepping in now.
Yeah, I got an okay entry on the short there.
Microsoft looks strong though. I do think we get a little bit of a pop. Remember, I did want to see us make a new high a day. We have 3 minutes left in
10
this 5
second
minute.
pullback. 10-second pullback.
Nice,
Oh,
nice.
We're heading back up. 41.74 is my target.
Come on, blow through that new high a day, NASDAQ. New high a day, NASDAQ. Apple pushing, Microsoft pushing. A lot of green on equities right now.
That might not be a triple top anymore. That might be consolidation for one
Nice
for one
pop.
up.
Nice pop. There's new
I
high
like-
a day.
I like 41.74 if it breaks this to the upside, but we have unfinished business to retrace it. 41.60 though.
41.70's got a lot of sellers there.
Yeah.
But if you look at the volume, if you look at that volume profile, we would probably head up to 74.
Apple
I think so.
So there was
strong. Microsoft and Meta with some weakness. That was still a really good short entry. I did not add to it when we made that new high a day. My trigger finger wasn't quick enough on that. It was too quick of a rejection. We got 2 minutes left in this 5 minute. I want to get us to be a small green body, a long upper wick for a liquidity grab candle. Then I'm going to add to my short position. We're going to ride this sucker down.
I'll scalp the bounce and the retrace.
What's the 15 minute looking like? Sort of looks bullish on the 15. Looks a little bearish on the 30. Hourly. Looks pretty bearish, but that just opened up. Gonna just
Alright,
have
that's-
to wait and see.
Hey,
Nice.
so question for you guys. So in this
Nice.
latest Trading View build that they launched, I started getting all of this pop-up notifications on the left-hand side of my screen. How do I get rid of that?
Yeah, me too. But I'm on my phone on mobile. I don't get them on here.
It's like my screen just keeps popping up all of this late news from like 30 minutes ago,
dude,
2 hours
same.
ago. I'm like, I don't need anything that's that late. You know?
Yo,
Gotta be a
this
way to
short,
defeat
guys.
that.
Look at this short. Holy cow.
Oh,
We're flying, guys. We're flying.
Started on that because I'm in it too, and I'm
Happy with it?
happy with
limit-
the bar. But what's your target down to?
Yeah.
281 or something, or
I got 41.60.25 was my limit order. I just took off of that.
Yo, short.
My entry was early, but the exit was flawless.
Yo, we over 50 points on this trade right now, guys.
Nice.
That was a nice pullback. I like that pullback right there. I want to add to the short position. But I want to see how this candle closes.
Yeah.
8 seconds.
Flawless victory.
Seriously, give us a pop before we drop again.
I had a bit of an early entry on my short, but I'm okay with that.
Nice pop, nice pop. I'm going to add to my short position right here. Oh. Oh, Nelly.
And I missed my entry on the long going back in. That's
Look
okay.
at that. Look at that. They say, come here, bears. Come here, bulls. Get over here. Come get trapped.
Classic pattern though. This was 1 for 1 up, and then consolidation, and then a 50% retrace, like textbook. Easy trade. Now I'm gonna wait for a better setup. This isn't one.
I'm still in these shorts, guys.
I wanted to scalp the long return back to the high, but
I think that first minute of the 5 minute right there was a fake out. Try to stop people out of their short positions. Try to trap people into
Yeah.
some long positions. So I'm staying patient.
well, that
And then
candle, it
full
looked like a
size.
massive bearish engulfing candle, and then bam, it just popped into a big old wick hammer,
Right.
green hammer.
Exactly.
hey Kevin, I'm sorry. Your target for this whole run is what at the bottom on this short? are you trying to reach?
14194.
One.
So
four,
we've
one.
got a good 100 and something points to go.
Oh, okay. So you're in for a really long swing trade. All right. Thanks.
I'm looking to make it a day trade. I
Yeah.
want to see bears have been very strong lately. If we're looking at the daily time frame, I do want to see if we continue on this bearish trend, especially because it's Friday and we're ending the week off with today. So I want to see if we end the week really strong to the bear side.
That's the Jeremy swing trade.
There you go.
Come on, Bears. That was
More than a few
beautiful
minutes.
wick.
Swing trade.
That's great.
All right, what Jeremy's definition of a swing trade is 60 seconds. Is that
30 seconds.
oh 30? Oh, 60,
Sometimes,
so too slow. Got it. All right.
sometimes it's like that, yeah.
30
No,
seconds.
And I mean,
It
equity
just
swing
means the
trade
1
is,
second or 5 second candles.
yeah, exactly. Equity swing trade definition can be different. If you're scalping a 5-second chart, yes, a minute or more is a swing trade.
Bulls are alright, so VIX just had a little bit of a drop right there. Being careful with that, guys, because that is bullish. Considering hedging myself with ES long positions here, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm gonna just stay patient.
Yeah, the overnight low looks like it's providing some.
Yeah. Yep, absolutely. There we go, Bull stepping back in on this. See if we reject that trend line one more time.
I'm gonna sit tight for a minute. We do have liquidity to go and take us all the way up to 41.74, even 41.75 on a push, but I don't like this setup.
A lot of Bull stepping in again. Give us that pop, that's fine. I'll add to my short. I'm cooling. So does SQQQ show volatility for NQ, or is it just inverse of QQQ? It's just inverse of QQQ. Give us that pop. Alright. Alright. Don't give us a new high a day, though. That wouldn't be nice.
I'm at almost
It's gonna give us a new
16 points.
And
today.
74 is on the way.
First a retest of 41.67.
Apple pop. We're gonna see new high day NASDAQ. Alright. That's fine. We're chilling. Gonna grab another short position up here. Oh, Bulls.
Damn it, give me my retest.
Oh,
you bums.
Bulls. What are you
left
doing?
They left the bus stop without me.
Killing me. Yeah, seriously, same. I'm staying in this, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm not jumping out yet.
That 41.72 correlates with the top of the liquidity zone on SPY, though. Just to kind of be aware.
Gotcha.
We're right there.
Ooh, we're almost back at the open.
This is a letter perfect price action day, guys. Can't get over how good this was.
On what time frame?
1 minute.
Yeah.
5 seconds. 5 seconds, man.
1 minute. That's the top of the liquidity zone, guys. I mean, that's.
I mean, we hit the bottom of the open range.
Yep.
Middle of the open range on the ES. We're still above the 20 on the RTH and above VWAP, but I'm not confident that this can hold.
We did finally get our test of 41.67 there. I was expecting that.
I want a rejection here. I want this break a high right here. I want us to reject. Stop those people out now, reject and continue lower. But it does not look like we want that.
Nah.
Staying patient though. Nice.
I might take a
By the way,
lower.
Apex has another 90% sale until November 7th.
I saw that. That's pretty cool. Make sure you guys use code BullishBears. Get that 90% off.
Yeah.
Nice. Here we go.
All right. Next stop.
Next stop, the
41.64 is the
bottom.
next control bar, but we could bounce here.
Whee!
There it is.
Whoa.
That's a bear trap, though. It seems like,
Whee!
right?
I don't know, man.
Well, if you look at the 1 minute, that's right where the 20 period is, right there.
Yeah, but I'm not looking at the 1 minute.
It's a 5 second bear trap right there.
Yes. 5 second
bear trap.
Got that
Grab
right.
under the 200 on the 10 second, Jeremy.
I see it.
Yep. We hit right below it and we bounced right on it. So it's like sitting there.
That moving pivot on every time frame, baby. No matter what you're trading, pay attention to that 200.
Yep.
Can you look at DXY to get an edge on entries and exits on futures? Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on which futures you're trading. I usually use ES and NQ together. Dixie doesn't really have the same stocks weighed at the same amount, so like ES and NQ are very similar stocks. Dixie is sort of its own bundle of stocks, so it definitely does depend on
You
what you're
mean
trading.
DXY?
Yeah, DXY. Oh, no,
That's
isn't that
the
the
dollar
dollar?
index.
That's the dollar. I'm thinking
dollar.
of
That's the
yeah,
dollar
I'm thinking of the
index.
Dow.
So
That's
the
my
dollar,
bad.
yeah, the dollar index made a hella short pattern right now in the 5 minutes because I watched that too.
Cool. Yeah, you could do that. You could do that. That's my bad. I was thinking of the Dow. I don't know why.
It's good to watch the XY and trade gold.
It's good to know. Get your
So
fun
you see
facts
the
here.
XY is popping up and ES is going down.
Hey, Martiti, on your 15-minute FVG trade you may be in right now, where would your target be?
One target I've got is there's a 15-minute trend line based on the current candle would be around 41.56. Next target for me would be prior day or previous day low at 41.47. And third target would be the institutional pivot point down at 41.36. So I use institutional pivot points, prior day high lows, and trend lines. You can break trend lines, but a lot of times you'll have bounce off and chop around them.
You got in on this present 15-minute candle or the last one?
There was a fair value gap up near the pivot point, the institutional pivot point around 41.70. And so that's where I got into that trade short.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Thanks.
All right. On the 5 second.
Nice drop. What was I gonna say? Ironclad, Mr. Don, he's from YouTube, that's where I got that question from, wants to know why is it stronger? Like, why is it stronger correlated with gold?
Because the higher the price of dollar, less people buy gold because it's too expensive. Lower price of dollar, more people buy gold. So it's the inverse. So as dollar goes down, you buy gold. As dollar goes up, you sell gold.
Nice.
All right. 41.60 tagged.
Look at this drop, guys. Is this nice or what?
We may retrace 41.65 here, but the bears are really trying.
Yes, we are.
I'm still sitting flat. I'm not.
Whoa! I just realized Apple just had a crazy wick, crazy drop, and popped back up. Be careful with that.
Here comes your retrace to 41.65.
QQQ has a wick, a big wick at 343, and Amazon has a big wick at 119.
Part of me thinks we're gonna chop and go back up here, guys. I don't know if bears want to continue here. I'm still in the short position though. I have more confidence in the bears than the bulls right now, especially because of this trend line up here. So I'm staying in this.
Well, we made a fairly clean 1-for-1 down on the 5 second. We tapped the support at 41.60, so I think we'll at least get a retrace, a quick liquidity grab, and then continuation with the bear trend, because that'll finish the move back to A on the liquidity zone as well.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see. What's a 15-minute doing too? 15 nice and bearish. I like that 15-minute a lot, actually. Not a fan of the 30.
Yeah.
The 5 second 1-for-1 is the one that's starting from 172.
Yeah, that's you got kind of two of them. You got a 1-for-1 down to 41.63 there, and then a retracement, and then it made that whole 1-for-1 into a primary, and then the secondary went down to 41.59 there.
I like where
and
VIX
so the retracement that you're expecting right now is back to the 200.
Pretty much, and then that puts us in the mean of the consolidation between the 1-for-1, and that's 41.65 target. See if it gets filled.
Be careful on this, guys. Amazon's strong, trying to make a new high a day. Apple
look.
2 trying to push green.
Whoa, look at that push on the
Isn't that
ES.
crazy?
How did I know? Bam! Nailed it.
Damn.
That was a drop in the dollar again.
Yeah.
Damn.
That 4165 retrace was just textbook. Perfection. Now we wait and see if we consolidate. We'll either make a return to high at 4172 or we'll push back down and break below 4158 again.
Damn, Bulls. Bulls going crazy.
That'll be
Holy
Is that the
retrace high.
confirmation it's going up there?
Yeah, it's looking to retrace high, I think. But be careful because this can become a bull trap.
Yeah.
Look at the 1 minute chart. It looks just like a big old M top. So
I'm holding these guys.
We're
They're
in a
still
squeeze
short.
in the 1 minute too.
Got 2 minutes in this 5 minute. Could wick right back for all we know.
there we go. I missed my short entry at 4165, but I'm okay with that because I think we'll get another quick bounce, test 4164 for resistance, and continue the road.
Any thoughts on daily expected ranges on SPY QQQ? So I did want some bearish continuation today, especially on QQQ and ES, because the bears have been just so strong lately. We are struggling though to see that continuation right now, so I'm just being careful with this. Part of me wants to exit out in case we do want to pop and short squeeze. Another part of me is like, no, let's keep going with the trend. No reason to stop out. We didn't hit my stop loss.
Watch for a liquidity grab here and then a break over.
What do you think, bullish?
Bearish.
Bearish, okay. I was gonna say, don't make me come down there.
Yeah, right?
I'm gonna march right down to the New York Stock Exchange if we don't start selling off.
Right. I got myself a nice suit. I'm just gonna gotta finish getting it tailored. I do want to
Nice.
visit the NYSE floor. It's on my bucket list.
Well,
Yeah.
are you getting a suit to go to New York or what?
We could all do it.
Dude, that'd be cool. Bullish Bears trip to New York. What do we
Bullish
got?
Bears
Some
on
people use
Wall
paid
Street.
data to get gamma exposure levels. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Some people use paid data too for like you ever hear of options or the heat map? Options
Yeah.
heat map like on quant data. Yo, I like the rejection we're getting right here. We got 20 seconds left in the 5 minute. If we could stay sorted down here, I want the next 5 minutes to sell off too with some strength so the 15 closes somewhere below the 30-minute supply. That would be ideal.
Dude, that 4165 retracement I was expecting, I had my limit order sitting there. It missed me. Didn't
Oh,
know.
man.
Like, damn it.
Nah,
Emotional damage.
I don't know how I feel about the Bears right now.
We're in halfway through at 1 for 1 on the way down, right?
Nice. What was that? You asking me or Jeremy?
Jeremy. So in
All right.
5 seconds, I'm going to get out.
Yeah, you just made a 1 for 1 to the bottom of that 4160 trace. So yeah, if you were just scalping the 5 second, that was a beautiful entry. And exit.
Oh, I knew we were gonna pop.
I'm starting to see the matrix.
Right? What that 5 second chart does to you, man. You just see through everything. You're like, I'd see the structure within the structure. I see inside of every 1 minute candle.
But I did think it was going to go a little bit lower, so I wound up getting out a little bit late.
I want to straddle this with ES, guys.
As long
Not
as
sure
it's
I
still
feel about the
profitable, you did
Bulls.
right. It takes a while to hone your skills to be able to scalp a 5 second chart that quickly and that accurately, but you're on your way.
Bulls ain't messing around.
Retracing
Apple trying to pop.
4165 again. And I don't know if we're going to retrace one more time to that low, so I'm not taking an entry here just yet because this is starting to look like a reversal.
To go
We can
higher.
see the Bulls take this to 4170.
Yeah. And I was thinking the same thing. I'm still holding these shorts. I didn't stop out yet.
Let's see if they grab a quick liquidity down here at the control bar, 4164. and then see if we can take a long to 4170. That's a risky entry though, because this is not a confirmed reversal yet.
Nice drop.
Yep,
Nice
there it is.
drop. Holy cow.
Not confirmed. 4161, 4162.
No way. No way. Was that the
There is
liquidity grab we needed?
previous consolidation right there, so maybe we get long, but it's risky.
Drop it like it's hot. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Drop it now.
Careful.
Yeah, you
We're
better
just
tell
in an area
NASDAQ
where
to
we
be
can
careful.
pop a quick reversal and run back up for that 4170 reach.
Oh, Jeremy, I want us to close below VWAP over here on NASDAQ. We're going lower. Come on. Come on, ES. Come on, NASDAQ. Yeah. No.
I'm gonna wait.
Having your whispering is not working.
Yeah, it is. Watch. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Bam. Oh, wrong way.
You're gonna start reaching for your wand and speaking parcel tongue, aren't you?
The
Sorry.
market's not listening to my careless whispers. Minute 40 left in this 5 minute. I don't know, guys. I'm sort of still liking the Bears. Yeah, give us that. Give us that drop. Close below this 30 minute on this 5 minute, which would be the 15 minute closing below over here too.
Now, my concern is that we're consolidating right in the middle of that liquidity zone, so they can reach either way. It can be a quick bear trap or a quick bull trap, or even both.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. Like we're in this supply zone. We've just been chopping around, just grabbing liquidity the whole time.
Yep.
It's got to pick away.
And the supply zones, they almost line up beautifully with the liquidity zones that I use. I mean, they're one and the same, but they're just different.
Nice.
I'm just different enough to be different.
I'm just different. Yeah. I'm just built different.
That's right.
47 seconds left. I just want this drop.
Oh wait, this just smells like a itchy trap. I mean, just
You think it's a bear trap?
instantaneous. It could be either at this point. I'll take and trade the break, but I'm not gonna do anything until I see a break, and that might even be too late.
Yeah.
Only thing is with your style, Jeremy, I just kind of have given up for currently to even find those liquidity zones. In TradingView, they just don't line up the same.
Yeah, they're a little weird. It works so well on Webull. It's just mind-boggling. I can't even bother with it on TradingView either. So.
All right, let's go.
I got my Webull thing. I just haven't gotten in there yet.
Guys, we're holding this 30-minute key level right now. I want to see us break through it with strength, like super quick. If we fail to break through it, I do think we're gonna reverse back to the bulls, like that. You know, just like that.
It still feels like a trap, man. I mean, this is getting volatile. There'll be some chasing in here, and then watch what happens when they chase the break. It just slams real quick candle.
I'm gonna look to get out of a contract somewhere down here. Just a few contracts. I really want to ride this down though. Apple looking ready to go bearish. Same with Microsoft, but now they're popping green. Equity's just been chopping around.
This is
The dollar's with another pop up.
Amazon with some weakness. If Amazon could start selling off, that'll help push us lower too. Apple with some weakness, Microsoft with some weakness, Tesla with some weakness. But bulls keep trying, guys. Bulls are not giving up without a fight.
I've got a key pivot area at 131 on Amazon. And we're in a liquidity zone on Amazon as well.
We're just holding it, guys.
Top of that zone is unvisited yet, and it is 131.05 is the exact number.
Here comes the drop.
Drop.
Boom.
Kick it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah,
There
kick
we
it,
go.
NASDAQ. Kick it.
Watch him chase the break.
Wait for it.
And they grabbed it.
And they grabbed it, and they're gone. Yeah, I'm
Not
gonna
bad.
definitely look to exit a few contracts down here, guys. We're just playing around this level over here.
Yeah, if you got profit, you'd be inheriting a lot of risk if you didn't take some.
Yeah.
Dollar with another pop, guys. So come the drop.
Oh, dollar's popping? Alright, so yeah, maybe we do get the drop here. Apple selling off, I like that. Come on, NQ, get that weakness, get that weakness. Get that drop. Give me that shmoney. I'll do my shmoney dance. So close, so close. Keep looking around that level.
All right. As choppy as it was, that completes a 1-for-1 on the 5 second there.
2 minutes on this 5 minute, guys.
There's retracement.
I want to let this candle close.
Next 1 minute bar is going to be the signal. We just got a string of dojis on the 1 minute chart.
A string of dojis.
Yeah,
Nice.
That's like,
But a string of dojis that are heading south, no?
they are, but there's indecision there. So like you're very prone to have a very fast reversal when you see those.
Nice bears, nice bears. Let's go bears. Bad news bears.
Notice how there was a couple of them before, and you got a quick drop, 1-for-1 down, and then return to mean with the big green bar there. Well, we broke the range of that bar, and we're spinning a bunch of dojis just below it. So if liquidity were to be grabbed for the buyers, this is where they'd be looking for it.
Tesla, Apple weak. Apple weak.
So
Amazon
weak.
trying to be weak.
All right, Uncle Roger.
NQ below where I wanted it to be. But it's keep wicking. Yep, keep wicking back up. Staying patient on this. 52 seconds left. I want this candle to close.
The thing is, on the daily on the ES, we're right at the point of control.
Yeah.
Oh, are we?
So that's the thing is we're sitting at that.
Are we using it as
daily
a
point of
support or
control.
resistance? Is it above
There's
us, below us?
It's below.
Below, so we're using it as support. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
At
my dope on it.
41.50 area.
Gotcha. That's good to know.
41.60. Actually, the point of control is a 41.51 right now. On the
Apple with the
daily.
wick back up.
I knew there
We
would be
do
buyers.
have a bar gap on the daily at 4,025. I'm gonna post this daily chart here so you see what I'm talking about.
Not a fan of that, guys. Not a fan of that at all.
1-for-1 bull move. Target 41.64 if it breaks.
Sort of want to add
Here
to
on
this actually.
consolidation.
This feels like a bull trap.
It kind of does. There was
But
some
take a look at
liquidity
that.
there though. They grabbed it
Take
right
a look
there in
at
that big bar.
that daily chart that I just posted right there. If you look at where we are, we're right at the point of control and the highest volume of trading for the last year, basically.
Yeah.
And it also coincides with the head and shoulders, target. If you measure the head and shoulders, it's that target right there.
Right.
So it's a tricky one to say. They got to make a decision. If we, break, then I'm all for going down to 4,000. That's, there's nothing below that to really hold us that much. But if you look on that daily chart, we had a major consolidation from April, May, and June in that area. And we're right back at it.
It's coming to stop hunt.
Half for one made. See if we get the 1-for-1 to 41.64.
Buyers keep stepping in. Apple with some strength right now too, guys. Be careful. Big UVXY move. Careful.
41.64.
Back
Bam,
up to this
nailed it.
trend line again. Oh my
Oh.
goodness.
That was
Oh, wow.
fun.
They selected it right on up to 41.65, baby. Did you get some profit
That
on
was
that
a
one?
2-for-1. Yeah.
Nice work.
Good job.
Yeah, that's 2-for-1 clean with a vertical push, man. That was awesome.
Good job. This chop, man, is
I
something
had my limit,
else.
so I missed the 2-for-1.
Yeah, I had my limit set at 41.62 or 41.64 as well. Holy smoke, we're going parabolic back to the previous high. Look for 41.66 coming up next. 41.67 would be the push. But there's consolidation here. We can set this up for primary, secondary, and go even higher. Let this settle for a good entry before you do.
No.
And it sells right off.
Or retracement to
No,
41.60
bear
first.
trap.
Sweet.
Let's get it, Bears. Let's get it, Bears. Sweep them bulls.
Textbook 1-for-1 and 50% retracement, baby.
Apple week.
Love it.
Apple week. Will this be the push we need? I hope so. Nice, nice.
Watch this. That looks, we got 4, 3, 2 seconds left on that bar. Big ass bearish engulfing on the 1 minute. Closed right there. But it has a wick out the bottom, so be careful of the buyers here.
Inside bar there, though.
Yeah, it's inside.
Yep.
Well, it's not outside. It's inside our screens.
Well, it started out as bearish engulfing, and then it closed with a big wick underneath it above the previous green candle. So watch for buyers
Bears,
in that wick.
Go. I'm going to look to scale out of some contracts down here because that's where we keep bouncing. I do think we want to break this level, though.
Buyers jumped all over that.
Minute 27 left, guys.
All right.
Here we go. We're heading north.
Horrible playing options with a small account. Yeah, dude. Small accounts options, especially if you're going 0 day, those are super, super, super beyond super difficult. Especially because you can't hold through chop. Those 0 days will destroy you.
Don't do 0 days on a small account with options. Even if you have a cash account. It's risky.
A 0 day class, guys. I've heard so much about 0 days and I never touched it.
Good.
Well, there's 2 sides to that story. You can be a seller or a buyer, and I'm intending to team up with Sig and come up with exactly that, where we can go and talk about these 0 days and how to trade them.
Guys, this drop
that is
beautiful.
A very important subject to me.
Beautiful drop.
All right, no bounce. They're going for 1-for-1 down. Target 41.55 on this break. But I think there's too many buyers here to take that trade, so I'm not gonna.
No, it's sell season, Jeremy.
Sell
season, my boy.
Now, the NQ has not closed the RTH gap today. Well, the ES did.
I might stick a buy limit order at 41.55 and catch the retrace.
No way. Yo, huge. Gonna look to scale out of some contracts. I want my first target's right here. 14.289.
Let's see if liquidity takes over at 41.55. We'll see a retrace right to 41.59.
Strong move. Come on, Bears. I like that VIX is strong too.
And we don't have many contracts on the buy side at 41.55. There's only 100 of them, but looks like the bulls got their fill at a tick or two above that.
There is no relief to hold gains on China plays. Shanked in the Hang Seng hours, shanked in the US. Yeah, that's why we gotta create our trade plans. Know ahead of time where we plan to enter, where we plan to exit.
Yes,
super important.
I do that on a 5-second chart.
Every
daily.
5 seconds.
Every 5 seconds, create a new trade plan.
Yep.
That's your style.
let AI type that shit out for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yo, I like this drop. I'm moving my take profit down a little bit. We got 4 minutes on this. Really like us to continue lower. Apple pretty weak right now. If Apple could start dumping again, guys, that would be huge. We might be in for a really, really nice drop. VIX trying to go higher too. Like, these are some good things to line up for us.
All right, let's see if we get our retracement at 41.55, Matt.
Come on, give me a banger. Let me end this week on a banger. Last week was fire. This week I barely traded.
Retracement to the
Yes, sir. Yes,
167
sir.
or to which one?
It'd be a retracement from 41.55 to 41.60 is the target, but I think 59.25 would be appropriate for
Guys,
next
I'm
on
scaling
that
out of some
total.
contracts there. Huge trade.
Right, so 50% back up to the 167.
Come on,
I mean, it
keep
could
going.
go to 167, but
guys,
I don't know
look
if
at
it would
this.
touch that high again.
Look at this. Huge.
Damn, we just got a 2-for-1 down, by the way. 41.50 target.
This is
Ouch.
amazing.
I didn't enter that.
I'm out of more. I'm out of
Ouch,
more.
I did.
Guys, I'm out of more. I'm still in these shorts. Oh my god.
Right.
Huge. Huge, huge, huge.
Oh, the other part is we broke the bottom of our liquidity zone.
Oh man, we're so close. We're so close.
Back to the POC.
Oh, I'm putting my final exit order down here, guys, because I think we might bounce. Come on, give me one more strong drop. One more strong drop. Oh,
Might get
no.
retracement back to 41.56 for your exit with a profit if you don't take a loss there.
I'm in such fat gains right now.
Yeah, I just threw another contract on down at the bottom there.
No.
That would put your average probably about 41.54.
Oh, come on, give me one more quick drop. One more quick drop.
Dude, you even know what's on my screen. That's amazing.
One more quick drop. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Well, the limit
You guys are like two couples in the back of a bar talking, loving to each other.
Right?
Yeah,
One more drop.
See that retracement, man? Yeah.
Drinking ginger ale because we're working.
That's right. That's right.
All right, I'm gonna exit my profits right. Oh man, that was crazy. That was crazy. It wants to keep going. Does it want to keep going?
Tomorrow night, my neighborhood does adult trick or
All right,
treating.
I'm out. Huge, fantastic day. Great trading day. Great way to end the week. Hope you guys caught that too. What a great trade. That was 70 points on NASDAQ.
Nice work, my brother.
Yes, sir. We might even continue to drop.
We could. We're out of that liquidity zone. I'd love to see a quick retracement, but
I'm out because we have this area of interest right here. And look how many times we've sort of held up around here. So there's no reason to get back in, right? Maybe if we want to try to take a break, but too wicky now. Great trade, though. That was huge.
well, the danger zone liquidity zone is not far off. If we drop out of this liquidity zone here too far, we'll head for like 405 on SPY.
Nice. Yeah, that brings my my trade over my Apex to 57,000. It's pretty cool. Still gotta do the payout from them, right? Yo, I'm trying to hit like 65.
So your drawdown now is what, $4,000?
Yeah. Yeah, so it stops at what, 50,100. So its drawdown's like 6-7 grand now. Because the drawdown stops once it hits $100 over whatever the start is. So if you're $25,000 account, drawdown's 1,500, so it starts off at 23,500. Once you bring your account to 26,600, then your trail stops at 25,100. So for the 50K account, also stops at 50,100. So yeah, about like about almost 7,000 of a trail stop now. So that's what's the cool part about the funded accounts is you can build your trail stop, build that up, then start trading with higher more contracts and all that stuff. But yeah, that was clean, guys. That was super clean. I'll stick around and see how this candle closes, because if we get a nice drop base candle, I'm gonna take the next few candles short and try to scalp more, right? Try to make that shmoney. That was super clean.
See if we get our 41.55 retrace.
Super
Get
clean.
some profit out of that bad entry on that thing. It's almost there. It's trying.
Let's see.
We're right up under our regression line, though, too, at the base of our liquidity zone. So if it's going to reject here, we're going to be bears for the rest of the day.
Damn, I'm on a 30. Another week, guys. Last week I did 3K on the account, right? And I was still barely trading. And I was like, all right, whatever. That's pretty good. It was on a 38% win rate. This week, I'm on and I chased a little bit because I was on trading mobile this week, on a 32% win rate, but still up about 1,500, which again, guys, is a very light week for me because I haven't been trading, as you guys know, or else I'd be here in the chat with you guys. But all it takes, guys, is just to let our winners really run and cut our losses short. I can't emphasize that enough, because then you could lose more than you win and still be making money. Like that, when I first heard that to me did not make sense. Like, how am I going to lose more than I win but still be profitable? Like, how does that make any sense to anybody? But it does. If we're able to take proper risk to reward trades, we're good. Guys, that exit down here was phenomenal. Holy cow.
There's your profit, buddy.
Having on for another retracement. I mean, for a reversal here.
Yep. That retracement was textbook, and it shot way above 41.58, and then came right back down to 41.55 for test. So took a bad trade and made it good. Nice work, man.
Yeah, fire.
Let me know how that distribution goes for you, Kevin, because I'm about ready to take distribution on mine as well.
For sure. You could, so with them, you could, what was it? You have to keep a cushion for yourself. So, like, even though my trail stopped at 50,100, I would probably take it out to the point where I'd keep my account at, like, 52,500. So I really wanted to wait till I could do, like, a big one, till I do, like, a 10 or a 20 or something. But I'll definitely let you know. And you could also, the days you could withdraw are the 1st through the 5th of the month and the 15th through the 20th. But I think regardless, you don't get paid till the 30th.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
But what I plan to do is I want to take distribution on the 2 funded accounts that I have, and then use that money to just open 4 more Tradeovate accounts.
Nice.
Straight. That's what I
Hey
plan.
Jeremy, are you paying extra data on Tradeovate for those accounts, or just one data plan for all group accounts?
So these are the 2 accounts I goofed up, and I'm trading them on Rhythmic. So they suck. So I've just been slowly scalping them up to, enough profit to where I can just close it out, start over. And I think what I'll do is I'll take the money from that and then open, 4 of my own Tradeovate accounts. But I'll end up paying for data on them, I'm sure.
Yeah.
At that point, I don't care, because then I can go and scalp my style and not be called a gambler.
Are you looking to enter in another short here? You have a target?
No, not with the way this candle's closing. I wanted the body to close a lot smaller. When we're trading, we have to let the wicks and the bodies talk to us, right? So we saw all these upper wicks. It's a lot of selling pressure off of this trend line that was telling me we should hold this short, stay short. And that's why I held short the whole time, right? But this type of candle, not a fan of that. That's nice reversal. Guys, my exit was right here. That was crazy. Good stuff.
I was busy grabbing a screenshot. I missed my long entry. Damn it!
Oh no.
Hey, so Jeremy, with those Apex, or you're wanting to do 4 Tradeovate accounts, why would you do that instead of 1? And is that to copy trade or?
Right. Well, yes and no. What I intend to do is kind of like Sig does. He has several small accounts, so I constantly plan, or before, and what Sig kind of taught me with this is to have several small accounts and then just constantly take distribution from them. So that's where I'll make my living. But the accounts won't have enough in them to where, like, say we have a snafu and we get locked out of our account, I'm in a position that could, literally blow up the account because it's not that big. That account gets blown. I got 3 more to back up on.
But then
you can also use the Tradeovate your group accounts.
You can.
So you trade 1 contract and it trades across all of your accounts. So if you have a $2,000 account and you trade 1 contract across 4 accounts, you're trading basically 4 contracts.
And I can do that too, but my plan is I've kind of haven't totally lost faith in Tradeovate, but we just had it yesterday where some of all of us got locked out of our accounts for a
Yeah.
period of time. If
That
we would
was
have been in a
ridiculous.
position like that, in that situation, and it's a small account, you're running ES contracts, where if we get the kind of volatility we had today, even with one contract, that could blow up a $500 account instantly, or let alone a $5,000 account instantly in some cases. So you don't want to be in that position. That's why I'm looking at, okay, I'll open up 4 or 5 $500 accounts and just one at a time trade them. So if I have one blow up, I'm not going to cry, but I'm going to be able to take distribution out of the other ones while it's working right.
All right, guys. I'm
So-
looking for a short setup right here. Sorry.
Oh, totally fine.
I'm
But
like-
you're also looking at you're getting into Apex, but what are you doing with the Apex account?
Nope. I would be closing out my Apex accounts and using just straight Tradeovate accounts.
Yeah. That's the whole goal with these Apex accounts, in my opinion, is do them for a while, get some payouts, but as you're getting the payouts, start to fund yourself and keep trading
Exactly.
like you're trading your own money. So like if I'm trading a 50K Apex account, I'm gonna trade it as if I'm trading a real account, but a $2,000 account, not a $50,000 account.
Right.
And the reason for that is because the trail down, right? Now we have a trail down on these Apex accounts. We're not going to have trail downs on our real accounts, but it wouldn't make sense to trade minis on a $2,000 account.
Exactly.
So it's just trade it as if you were trading for real. Once you start getting consistent, you're able to take profit. It's better than paper trading because you're able to practice your trading style for real without putting real money at risk.
Exactly.
Okay, so that was my question with the Apex. So you guys are saying that you should just trade as if your account is the size of your drawdown.
Yes.
Right.
Billion percent. I know when I started doing that made such a difference in my trades. It was huge.
absolutely.
Huge.
Don't trade it like a $50,000 account.
Yeah,
for sure.
no. Trade like $50,000 account. We want to think we're risking like 1,000 per trade, which would almost be more reasonable because if you have a 1 to 4, you're risking 1,000 to make 4,000. But that's not reasonable. If your trail down's 2,500, then you only get 2.5 trades.
Yep. Yeah, you can blow that up in 2.5 trades.
What-
Quite literally.
I've blown enough accounts by being stupid like that, going in on 8 contracts and then I'm like, oops. Blown.
Oops, did I do that? Or like, oops,
But
let me
it-
reverse it, and then the reverse goes against you, and you're like, let me reverse again. The reverse goes against you again.
So
Yep.
what it gives you is the safety of paper trading, but the ability to trade it as if it's real money. So then you can build your discipline. So it's a great opportunity to do. And I may also take advantage of the 90% off again and probably do like 2 or 4 more
And
accounts
I was
with
thinking
that.
that.
So I'm really considering that actually. And
I was
then
thinking of grabbing a fat account. Big one.
right, like a $100,000 account or something.
Bigger, 150 or 200 or something, and really
There you
trade
go.
minis.
Yes, there you go.
I'm not
That
taking
makes
this
sense.
short.
I might consider that as well. But I wonder what it costs. Is it the same fee to convert it to a funded account?
No, the
100,
more
160.
expensive. The more
So for a
expensive the
50K
account,
account, when you convert to a funded account, it costs you $160.
Yeah, which I did 2 of those.
Nice.
And that's for a lifetime. So but the lifetime is 10 years. After that, they charge you, I think it's 1 cent
penny.
or 2 cents or something like that. Yeah.
Gotcha.
They're like,
10-year
"We need our
lifespan.
penny."
Got it.
All right, guys. I'm
But
gonna
yeah.
be waiting for this candle to form. I want to see if it gives us a liquidity grab candle. Long upper wick, small body. Take that short, and we'll target this low again.
We're going higher. We're going to 41.67 pretty quick here.
Yeah, 41.67.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
That's a VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm long at 41.61.75 there.
Nice. Apple with some strength. Yeah, liking the bulls right now. I'm gonna let this candle close and I'm gonna probably wrap it up, guys. So if you guys got any questions, definitely let me know. Always good to be part of the stream with you guys. Always good to be taking some trades with you guys. That was an awesome NASDAQ trade. It sucked that we started the short position up here, and then it dropped, and then it chopped, and then it dropped, and then it chopped. But what do? We stay patient. We wait till it either hits our take profit or it hits our stop loss, because everything in between is just noise. The market knows how to chop people out, knows how to stop us out, and so on. So that was a really great trade today. Really good way to end the week.
I'm doing some bonehead stuff with size on this demo account just for fun. Doing like 20 contracts at a time.
Account liquidated.
No, let me show you what I did. Hold on. You're gonna be blown away.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Hang on, let me close this position and I'll go to the P&L and show you what I did in one day.
Oh boy.
Just screwing around.
On a eval?
No, this is
I was
just
gonna
a
say.
paper account. Just a demo account.
Part of me wants to start a short position up here, thinking that we might close down here, so I start the position in the green already with a really tight stop loss, but I also don't want to get in this short position right here, because if this candle closes up here, then that's going to be a really bad trade. So stay patient, get your confirmation, then get in the trade. Even if your confirmation is letting a candle close. And I also like that ES has this area of interest plus the top of this 30-minute demand zone that was broken that we're rejecting. So we do have some resistance up here that I'm keeping an eye on.
This thing keeps threatening my
Maybe
entry.
I'll do ES.
Just started a 1-minute candle right on the 8 period. And we got 40 seconds left in it. I think we're going to push that 41.67 real quick and then possibly wick
Apple
right back
popping.
down.
Apple is popping. Da, 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 da.
Amazon's still trending in that liquidity zone I have marked out in orange there. If you look.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's unfinished business all the way to 131. So let's see it happen.
Taking care of business.
Right?
Every day.
That's how we do.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Best
Give us a
trading
couple bars. We'll
community
see if this thing grabs
ever.
liquidity to 41.67. 3 seconds on this 1-minute bar. The next bar will be the signal for break. Here we go. Come on, push it.
Push it real good. Dun, 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 dun,
Right?
dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Jeremy, are you saying you expect it to do this and then reverse again, or
Possibly.
it definitely
That's right.
did?
That's right where the 1-minute 200 is as well. So watch for at least a retracement after that target of 41.67 there. Ah, didn't quite hit it. Damn it.
I'm liking
Come on,
this.
don't hate
I'm liking this.
Sellers right below the VWAP right
I'm-
there. The
I'm
200.
liking
They're
They'll touch
on it.
40.
I had mine a tick below. I got it.
Nice. I'm going to work my order back to 41.6650.
Oh. Come on,
It
close
missed
over here. Close over here. Don't go back up. Close down there. Come on, 5 seconds. Drop.
Come
It's
on.
not gonna give
It's
it
going
to
to
me.
pen it right here.
It's not gonna
There's
give
an
it to me.
angular.
Nope, that's it.
There we
That's
go.
it, folks. We're just
Nailed
gonna
it.
keep going higher. Hey, nice.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Money.
Yo, I
All
can't
right.
get over that exit down here. That was fire.
It's like I'm literally trading a demo account and my real account at the same time. But let me show you what I did with this demo account in a moment. First, let me
Got a
get this
coffee
screenshot,
to your health, Jeremy.
right?
All right, YouTube guys, I'm going to wrap that up. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Make sure you guys rewind a little bit so you can see what trade we took. Today we took NASDAQ short way up here around 14,350. We got out. First exit was 14,390 for 60 points. Second exit was another 10 points away. So we got 60 and 70 points total on NASDAQ. Huge trade today. If you guys are sticking around to take some more trades, what I'm looking for is another retest of this trend line that we've been rejecting. Would like some type of liquidity grab candle at this trend line to take it short. See if we could come back down to that 14,280 again. All right, YouTube, have a great day. Have a good weekend. Take care. Check out our recent YouTube videos. Leave a like. Hit subscribe. Appreciate you all. Join our community, bullishbears.com. All right, take care.